Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have the update on the Infosys SpringBoard. So they are conducting the virtual internship, that is the edition 7.0. So the Infosys SpringBoard Internship 7.0. So it's a 8-week program, and they are providing 5 different tech tracks, and it's completely 100% virtual. So here you can view these are the various tech stack whichever they have mentioned. So here you can see it's a 7th edition of the Infosys SpringBoard internship, and this is a great platform wherein you can work on the real world projects and you can get exposure to the latest technologies, and also you'll gain the practical experience, and which you can showcase it in your resume. So here you can see what does it contains, and who can apply, the eligibility criteria, everything we'll discuss. So by enrolling for this internship you'll get in-depth technical knowledge, like hands-on experience on the chosen technologies. So there are 5 different tech tracks. You need to choose one tech one tech stack in which you are interested. So based on that you'll be getting hands-on experience on that field if you are selected for the internship, and there will be project-based learning in which you'll be getting the practical experience working on the real-world project, and you'll also get the guidance from the experts, like you'll be learning from the industry expert leaders, and you'll be involved in that, you'll be added in that community wherein you can discuss your queries and all, and there will be virtual connect. So it's a 8-week virtual internship, like the complete program it's virtual itself, so you can enroll for this. So these are the benefits involved in this internship. So coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so you must have passed the 12th, so you must have completed the 12th standard or the equivalent from the recognized board or the university, and you must be currently pursuing, or you should have completed the graduation or the post graduation. So these are the main criteria for this, and the main commitment should be that the learners who enroll for this, you should be committed for an 8-week virtual internship. And the important note is that this internship is for only students, and the working professionals and the alumni of the previous batches, they are not eligible for this. So the current those who are pursuing their graduation and those who has completed, so only for them it is eligible. So these are the details, and coming to the process and the nomination. So process and shortlisting. So the deadline for this internship, so it is March 31st 2026. So make sure you apply before that, and the mobile phone registrations, it will not be considered. So make sure you apply thoroughly and properly through the laptop, and then you need to fill the nomination form also, and there will be self nomination which cannot be changed later. And course completion, to be eligible for the internship, first you are supposed to complete the assigned courses. So once you will register for this virtual internship, so there are some self-paced learning courses which you are supposed to complete it, based on the domain you select. You need to complete it by May 5th 2026. And the consistent ID, so make sure whatever ID is being given for you, you are supposed to register with the same ID, and you need to complete your courses, and do not share your ID with other, so that they might block your ID. So these are the main things which you need to concentrate on. And coming to the shortlisting process, so as there are limited slot availability, so make sure you register before the deadline, as 31st is the last day to apply, but try to apply before that. They might close the application form anytime. And also another thing is that once you register for that, you will be getting the mail, you'll get access to all the courses they have provided based on the domain or the tech stack you choose. So based on that, you are supposed to complete the self-paced learning courses. So upon that only the actual internship, the 8-week internship program will be started. So post selection, so once you complete the self-paced courses and all, then you'll be shortlisted for the internship. So for the internship journey, like first the batch will be formed. So the shortlisted interns, they will be allocated to separate batches, and like you are supposed to join with the assigned batch only, and you cannot change the batch once allotted. And after that, so the more details and the updates and the regarding the session details, so the sessions will be live. So the session details, everything, it will be shared to your respective mail ID. And the attendance is mandatory for the virtual sessions, like the mentors will be allotted for each batch, and you cannot take the leaves. And then comes to the participation, like you are supposed to actively participate in those sessions, and also you need to contribute effectively with respect to the assignments as well as completion of the project. And also there will be deadlines in which you are supposed to complete all the assigned tasks before the deadlines. So coming to the certification and the milestones for this, so in order to be eligible for the certificate, so you need to complete the assignments, you need to attend all the virtual sessions, attendance is mandatory. And the other thing is that projects, you need to complete the projects and submit it before the deadlines in order to award the internship completion certificate. And this internship, it will be split into 4 milestones, that is 2 weeks each. So 2 weeks it will be considered. And after completing 4 milestones, you will be qualified for the certificate. So the last date to apply for this, as mentioned, it is March 31st. And the completion of the learning path, the self-paced courses, it is May 5th. And here you can see the categories and the learning paths. As mentioned, the 5 tech tracks are being provided. The first thing is the artificial intelligence. So then comes the, so here you can view all the like artificial intelligence pack, whatever is there, like which includes the data science, natural NLP, artificial intelligence, deep learning. So these are the self-paced learning, so which you are supposed to complete before the virtual internship. So it has the generative AI and the prompt engineering also. So then the Angular full stack, so you can also check the Angular related tech stack, the JavaScript, HTML, Bootstrap, everything is there. And also the certification is there. So the one which is mentioned as certification, post completing that course you'll be getting the certification. And each course, like it's designed with 1 hour, like some 30 hours and all. So they'll mention which all courses are mandatory to complete the self-paced courses. You can complete those, like it is not required to complete everything. Then the Python technology stack, so which includes the complete Python bundle, and the Java technology stack, so like complete the Java foundation certification, DSA using Java, and the data visualization, so which includes the Power BI tech stacks and all. So these are the 5 different tech tracks. So based on your interest, you can choose any of the learning paths. So as a suggestion, you can choose AI, as AI is booming, so you can make sure you can apply for you can choose the artificial intelligence track, so that it has complete bundle with data science, NLP, even the prompt engineering, generative AI, everything. So you can choose any of the tech track. And coming to the application form, so here you can view the click here to apply. You can click on that. First step is you are supposed to accept the terms. So after that you are supposed to fill the application form. So you can click here to apply. So here you can agree the terms. So like here you can see the nomination for the Infosys SpringBoard virtual internship. So first step is you are supposed to enter your name, then your email ID and the institution and the name of the city and the state, and here you need to select the domain for the internship which you wish to apply for. So all the 5 tech stack is available. You can choose one domain for the internship, and you need to choose the education program you are pursuing, and then the UG or the PG graduation year and the expected year of graduation. So as mentioned, it is only for the pursuing graduates or those who has completed their graduation, like who will be completing their graduation post this year, only they are eligible. So are you a working professional? So note that this internship is only open for the students, like working professionals are not eligible. And if you are selected for any previous internship with the Infosys SpringBoard, you can mention that, and later you can continue, and there will be some few other details you need to fill, and you can complete and submit the survey. So these are the complete details about the Infosys SpringBoard Internship 7.0. So make sure you register today itself, and you can wait for the next mail. So these are the complete details about this virtual internship. Do watch the video completely, and if you have any queries or the concerns, you can comment in the video. And these are the complete details about the internship. Do like the video, and thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe the channel for more updates.